My computer crashed and is stuck on the boot loop screen, but I have found several effective ways to fix your PC crashed and stuck on boot loop screen permanently. After struggling with this issue myself and testing various approaches, I finally discovered a set of solutions that will get your machine working again. We will now explore these methods to resolve your boot loop problem. The first approach involves resetting your BIOS to its default configuration, which often corrects corrupted startup parameters by re-establishing standard system settings. Next, we utilize a bootable USB drive to access advanced recovery tools, specifically the startup repair function, which is designed to automatically diagnose and fix common operating system loading errors. Another powerful technique is employing System Restore, allowing us to revert your PC's software environment to a previous stable state before the boot loop issue began. Finally, we address potential hardware conflicts by systematically removing and reintroducing external devices, as a faulty peripheral can sometimes prevent the system from booting correctly. These strategies target the core reasons behind boot loop errors, ensuring a lasting resolution.